The main action of the knee is to flex and extend the lower limb. Start with your knee at 90 degrees. From there, stabilize your femur and articulate an in and out rotation at the knee. Grab onto tension with your hamstring and extend your knee with the quadriceps against the hamstring's tension. At your fullest extension, grab onto the tension with the quadriceps on the front of the leg and gently towards aggressively bend your knee against the tension provided by the quadriceps. And always make time for the loosey-goosey. The main action of the elbow is to extend and flex the lower limb. Other actions at the elbow include the pronation and supination of the wrist. This is the best biceps drill and triceps drill there is. Look for those opportunities to irradiate and allow tension. And you shake it all about.